Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium very fast. First, ensure you have a comfortable posture, sitting upright with your hands relaxed over the keys. Your fingers should curve naturally, ready to press the keys with minimal effort. Start by familiarizing yourself with the instrument's layout, understanding where each note resides. Begin practicing basic scales, like C major, at a very slow tempo, focusing on evenness and clarity. This foundational work is crucial for developing speed later on. To truly play fast, dedicated finger exercises are essential. Spend at least 15 minutes each day on drills that isolate and strengthen individual fingers. Try patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, moving up and down the keyboard. Start these exercises at a very slow pace, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and only increase the speed by 5 beats per minute once you achieve perfect accuracy. Remember to keep your wrists relaxed and your movements fluid to prevent strain. Developing speed is deeply connected to a strong sense of rhythm. Always practice with a metronome, starting at a comfortable tempo and gradually increasing it. When encountering difficult passages, break them down into smaller 2- or 4-note segments. Practice these segments repeatedly until they are flawless at a slow speed. Only then should you attempt to combine them and increase the tempo. Consistent, focused practice, even for just 30 minutes daily, yields significant results. Sustaining and further developing your speed requires ongoing effort and smart practice. Don't just stick to exercises, apply your newfound dexterity to actual musical pieces. Start with simpler tunes and gradually move to more complex compositions that demand faster fingerwork. Remember, consistency is key. Even short, daily practice sessions are more effective than infrequent long ones. Be patient with yourself. Mastering speed is a journey, not a race, and every little improvement counts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.